Hi there YouTube friends, 안녕하세요. Welcome back to Auntie A's kitchen. I hope you're having a fantastic week. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a wonderful breakfast sandwich idea. On this channel I've already given you some of my favorite combinations, from the classic bacon and egg with a homemade bread roll to a one-pan egg and bacon toast, and in a more recent video I shared with you egg in whole breakfast sandwich. Well, today I'm going to be sharing with you the iconic Fairfax breakfast sandwich. This sandwich was created by the founder of Eggslut, Alvin Callen, and this sandwich is their #1 selling sandwich, and I tell you, it is incredible. It's a combination of slow-cooked, creamy, scrambled eggs with cheese and caramelized onions, chives, sandwiched in between some toasted rolls with Sriracha mayo. It is so delicious and really easy to make from the comfort of your own home, and today I'm going to show you how to do it. So thanks for watching. Let's get cooking. Your onions take the longest to cook, so get them started first and you can do other prep while they caramelize. Cut them into thin slices, put them into a pan with some oil. You want to cook them slowly on a low heat for the best results. For the Sriracha mayo, I put 2 tablespoons of mayo to 1 teaspoon of Sriracha. If you like spicy food, feel free to add a little bit more. And while I prepare the other ingredients, you'll see me keep going back to check on the onions. Mix up your Sriracha mayo, it should be a nice salmon colour, and then set it aside until we're ready to put the sandwich together. I will often make more than I need and keep it in the refrigerator ready for the next recipe. After the onions have been cooking for a while, I then add some salt, and this will give them a nice flavour and help them brown more evenly. You don't need to add any sugar because as you cook the onions at a low heat, the natural sugars in the onions will caramelise. Next, cut up some chives. They not only complement the eggs in flavour, but I love the colour contrast that they bring. After about 25 to 30 minutes, your onions will have a translucent golden colour. I then transfer them to a metal dish and sit them at the back of my stove to finish caramelising. A soft sweet brioche bun is usually used at Eggslut, but today I will use a soft homemade potato bun instead. If I'm honest, it's quicker to make and I don't like eating sweet bread rolls. If you're interested, the recipe for this soft potato bun can be found in my Copycat Shake Shack burger video. Just like any good sandwich, I recommend roasting up your bread roll bun with some butter in the pan for both flavour and texture. While the buns are toasting and crisping up in the pan, I crack open and mix together 3 eggs before placing them into a cold pan with some butter. Then on a low to medium heat, keep stirring and watch the magic happen in the pan. The butter will melt and combine to give you some wonderful creamy eggs. Cooking the eggs this way is very similar to another favourite breakfast of mine that I showed you a couple of months ago, creamy scrambled eggs on toast. As soon as your eggs start to come together, turn off the heat as you don't want to overcook your eggs, then add your chives and get them mixed in, not forgetting to season with salt and pepper. I don't know about you, but watching this video is making me hungry again, so let's put this sandwich together. First, place some Sriracha mayo on both your top and bottom layer of your bun. Next, place a generous serving of the delicious creamy scrambled egg onto the bottom layer of your bun. For the next layer of our sandwich, place an American slice of cheese into a hot pan just for a few seconds, then place this over your creamy eggs and it will melt and hold everything in place neatly. Top your sandwich off with a generous spoon of the caramelized onions then that we made earlier. Close the sandwich with the top layer of bun with the Sriracha mayo, and then you're ready to go. So here it is, Eggslut's #1 selling sandwich, the delicious Fairfax, and I know why it's so popular. So please have fun making this for friends and family and let me know what you think. And if you don't want to make it, I recommend visiting an Eggslut restaurant, and for everyone living in Korea, I believe there is one in Seoul. So have a great week. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. God bless. Chopokhamnada.